out here putting together the front entryway to my house. These are some of the lighted pathway lights that you use here at the entrance that I'll be putting out. I've already assembled some of them and put them together. And these are the white rocks I'm going to be using also out here at the entrance. We're going to see how that's going to turn out. Some of that's going to go along the pathway here. We're going to redo this mailbox area right here at the base. And I tested one already just to see how it would look. So, yeah.
I can see what's that.
It's a light. That's my little one there. She's pointing out where it should go, where she thinks it should go. But yeah, so we're gonna put those lights all the way down this path and on this path right here, and then we're gonna come back and put the white rock under the base of the hedges here at the front entrance. So then we'll come back and see how that all turns out and how it looks. Okay, we're starting on the mailbox base. I've already put up some brick around the edges, and I've put in the plastic around the base as well. So now we're going to be putting in the white rock, and that is this white rock right here that can be purchased at Lowe's or Home Depot. However, I did purchase it at Home Depot because it was like $2 less a bag. So that's what I chose. The white marble chip by, I think it's called Vigoro. Yeah, Vigoro. And I'm not sponsored by Vigoro, Lowe's, or Home Depot. So I want to make that clear in this video. So we're going to go ahead and spread the white rock out and see exactly what it looks like. White, pretty, so we'll see how this is gonna all turn out here. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. I don't see anything else that I can add here. Like I say, marble rock, very pretty, very white. So up back a little bit. Excuse my shadow. Okay. Looks pretty good for now. I may come back and tweak it a little bit, but it looks alright for now. Okay, so we're outside here now getting ready to fill in this bottom part up under my hedges here. And as you can see, I've already pulled the majority of this stuff out. And then we'll check back in a second to show you exactly what we've gotten accomplished so far. Okay, that part right there that you're looking at is where I'm putting down the plastics to prevent the weeds and grass from coming through. And on top of that is going to go the white rock. And then we'll come back. This is what it looks like so far under the hedges here in the front. As you can see, I ran out of rock here, so gotta head back to the store and get about another 5 bags, and that should cover me all the way out to the end of the walkway there. And excuse the shakiness of my camera, I'm trying to fix that. Okay. Right. That I originally started the video with, and I wanted to come back and show you the end result of what it looked like. Okay, this did start out as a mailbox only project. Mailbox right here that kicked off everything. Okay, and the basis of it. The end result right here where we all started. Okay, alrighty, now first part of the project is done, and then I had to go back to Home Depot and pick up, as you can see here, 20 more bags of the white rock. So with the first part I was able to get done the little mailbox. And this is what I did this morning. Went ahead and dug out all the big boulders that I have around here and got all the loose grass and stuff, the weeds and whatever out. Oops, okay, that's my foot there. Okay, these are big boulders. I mean, they are heavy. So I had to use the hole that I have here. We use those in the country when I lived in the country, of course, growing up. That's what we used to, dig out all the weeds and things like that. So as you can see here, it's a major project here. Didn't anticipate that, but it is what it is. And we are going to be placing down a lining here, or plastic, whichever we'll choose. I haven't decided yet, to put between and the white rock that as well. But we'll put those back on top of the white rock. And then we'll go from there. So that's about as far as I've gotten so far. And I just wanted to show you the progress of this project as we go on. So anyway, we'll be back and show you some of the completed parts once we get all of that done. So stay tuned and we'll see how everything turns out here. This is definitely a morning project when it's cool. It is not an evening or high noon project. Trust and believe. It's a lot of work, but we can do it. I can do it. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the second phase of the rechanging of the front area here. And what I'm going to do right now is spray paint the hedge part that I went and purchased at, I think it was either Lowe's or Home Depot. Either one of them carry this type of hedge here. So we're going to paint that. And the reason I'm painting it is because I had it on the front part of the yard that I did. I painted that a metallic paint here that I used. So I'm going to continue that around here on this side. And that's what I'm going to do right now. See the difference. This is the color here that I'm changing it to. This versus this brown. See that? So this is going to stand out more when the light hits it because it is a metallic silver, which I'm looking for this project. So I'm going to paint all of these and then I'm going to install them, and I'll come back and show you the results of everything in terms of me painting and putting these in the ground. Okay. All right, we're back out here finishing up. This is the final day. Hopefully that we'll be finishing up this section right here. What we were talking about earlier. This is all the way down. So now what I'm doing is I've had to go back to Home Depot and pick up 10 more bags. So this should be the end result of what I have to do. So I'm going to go ahead and finish dropping off a few bags that I've already opened up. Early in the morning here. It's not too hot. It's around 11 or 12 o'clock for a Saturday. Okay, so I'm not going to film everything where you'll get a chance to see exactly what's going on here. This is the front end, the longest end. And over here, these are the boulders that I had to take out. This is the other end. And what I'm going to be filling in here. And the other end right there. And this portion right here. And once I do that, it will be finished in terms of laying the rock. And these boulders right here have to go back somewhere. I have a lot of them all the way down, all the way down. So we got to determine, once I finish with this, exactly where I want to place these boulders back. I'm not going to lift them because they are heavy. So anyway, that's just a little snippet of what's going on for right now. And then once all this is complete, I'll come back and show you the end results. All right, let's get busy. Okay, that is the finished product. This is the night version. I want to share that, just a little snippet of what it looks like at nighttime out here with everything finished. So I am truly happy for the change or the makeover of the front area of the house. Okay. All right. This is pretty much what it looks like right here at night. Very lovely. I'm very happy with the way things turned out. So let me know what you think. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Give me some comments on what you're seeing. Give me some feedback. Okay? Watching my channel and showing your support. That's Diane's Decorating and More. Be blessed.